Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, to Ms. Alban Moshi to my channel, and it's me, Ms. Alban Moshi. So today guys, it's a motivational video. I'm here to motivate you. So first the quote is, be yourself and be happy. So let's go. Okay, now today's video topic is problem about attention. Watch this video, okay? When you have problem about attention, how to face and recover this problem without attention. When you have this attention problem, when you study some subjects, when you study English or any languages, you face this problem. When you read these types of books, and see and oh, this verse hurt, and you have no attention in your mind. Okay, I'm reading this book. What's happening? What's happening there? There's lots of attention problem about 90% of students, okay? When you have 90% of, you are the 90% one or the 10% one. Comment down below. And guys, don't afraid about this video. I'm not taking that you mean afraid this video. I'm not a teacher to suggest you about studies techniques, okay? But as a student, I suggest you about my experience, tips and tricks, and about English video, and about fun. And if you don't have time, watch my 1-minute English lessons. Shorts video. Okay, now anyway, I'm talking about attention. My first recommended is this tool. This follow a guide like a pencil, pen, book marker, anything. You read this like once upon a time there is a king. Like that, when you have this attention, you probably attention. Number second, you should probably do meditation before the work. Meditation is important. You can do 5, 10, and also 15, 20, 30, and even 12 hours. I never do 12 hours meditation like that, but you get 100% result of it, and if you try that every day unlimitedly with no doubts. Yeah, and when you have this meditation, relax, take a deep breath, and follow your breathing. That's called the mindfulness meditation. According to sciences, many scientists think that attention 90% is resulted by meditation. When you do meditation, you feel calm, relaxed, and also attention to study or any work. When you have this attention to study to any work, you are 100% required with your study, and you can see study is attentive, study is easy, study is just fine. Why I'm not attentive to that? Your mind is thinking about that. Okay, and now I'm going to talk about, I'm not about topper student to have an attention, okay? You might think that toppers don't only have attention. Many bad and weird students have this attention too. But why they fail in exam? Because when this attention go away from you, then what's the symptoms of going attention to you? When you read a book, you think, I'm going to finish this chapter. Oh, this bird is very nice. I'm going to fly like this bird. Oh, what's happening there? Many things can stop your attentive examination. Why I'm thinking that? Because your brain always want to do attention. When you want something and cross that, they not have that. Easily you can find that. If you follow these techniques and these 2 tips, highly recommended. And as a guide, follow my community and be with me and be happy. Be yourself and go to the imagination, logic, the left side, right side of the brain, and enjoy your life. Life is easy. Take it easily. Take it easily, not hurtly. If you take it easily, the output is easy. And if you take it hurtly, the output is hurt. So, till the next video, bye-bye. Mwah. And also, if you like this video, please like this video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon, ting! And also, subscribe to my channel, and also, comment down below if you like this video. Okay, till then, bye-bye. Next to the motivation video, be yourself and be happy. Super girl.